As you may have heard, some of you, if you've not heard, Aussie, Eddy died, not last night, night before. It's tragic news. I'm just devastated. He was just such an amazing guy. You know, had so much to live for. Such a talented engineer who will be sadly missed. It's just fucking tragic. Larry HDXFH told me yesterday morning. It's just fucking shit. It really is. You'll be missed, Aussie. Eddy. You'll be really missed, mate. I'll send out all my love and that to you, to your friends and family, and that you'll be sadly missed, mate, but never forgotten.